Hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm finally getting started on my tapered roofing system, and I thought I would take a quick moment before the final rays of sunset to give you the tips that I've gathered so far. Um, After much hesitation, because even though I do have a cool little map from the supply company, it's a little bit, pull it out here, it's under a heavy roll of stuff. And it's a tiny bit, oh crap, tore it. It's a tiny bit torn and a little bit intimidating for a newbie like myself to follow. But after much staring at it and a call to the supplier, the guy who helped me make my list, so there's the plan, if you can see that, but it's tapered down, so all those letters are different sizes of insulation, and those stacks back there are that insulation. And I guess I just wanted to show off my very rough start. So I'm about to go down and get a marker and a trash bag so I can pick up these, but at some point you just got to go for it, right? What I thought I would share so far, a tip that I got from my guy Hugo, who's helping me out over the phone a little bit, is to start with a smaller section. So I don't know if you can see that, but I'm starting, I don't have another hand, I'm starting on this end here, which is the little end that, so I don't know if you can see, this is the little end of my roof, and I was actually going to start on the bigger section, and I'm glad that Hugo pointed out, you know, get my teeth wet, so to speak, on the small section, and then gain confidence. Also, definitely I had figured out and confirmed you want to start from the low side, so in this case I have parapet drains. You can see this one is, that piece of insulation won't be up as high, it's just sitting there waiting for me to cut it. Also wanted to show you, so this is my first diagonal line cut, which I used another straight edge, and was not a perfect job, as you can see. Kind of rough, and as is my first hole cut, but it's done, and I'll probably get better at it as I go, but I guess I just wanted to share that because, you know, all this is the undercoat, and then I'm going over it with rolled roofing, and you can always fill in with tape, with caulking, with other foam, if as needed. So I am going to lay it all out, come back with some caulking and some tape, and that's after I anchor it down with screws and plates, and then I will roll out my self-adhesive decking. I was hoping to have this all laid out today, but it got delayed by a day, didn't get delivered yesterday, so you know, it just is what it is. It's another little tip for any project you're working on. That's my prize project, by the way, down there, is never panic. Don't freak out. Don't get angry. There's never any point to that, and it gets in the way of thinking. So, not that I have anything to be angry about, but, you know, I could be freaking out because I am a day less than I had, which was already cutting it close while the weather's supposed to be good, but I'll just take it in stride. I'm hoping to make a good time tomorrow. As you can see, the sun is already threatening to go down, so I'm going to run down, get my trash bag. I'm going to mark my cut pieces with a marker so that I can keep track of what side is up and what size they are, even though I could figure it out the long way. And then I'm going to get this little section laid out tonight, and onward to the next section, and get the rest of it laid out tomorrow and anchored down, and then start my rolling. So, yeah, I just wanted to show off my imperfect cut jobs and show you that it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to get done. Finished is better than perfect is my motto a lot lately. Anyway, this tapered system's pretty neat. Comes, as you can see, this particular system has A, B, and C, and double A, and then some 2-inch fill that go under the highest part to raise that slope up in the front. So it's not rocket science, it's just roofing science. That's my favorite phrase of the day. Yeah, I'm going to go get a marker and a trash bag to pick up my little pieces so that I can use those later for filling in holes around my cuts, and onward and upward. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the questions and comments section. And as always, I wish you love, lightheartedness, laughter, peaceful conflict resolution, amazing adventures, and productive do-it-yourself activities. Peace.